Usually when I meet with a deck owner, and I meet with 100+ deck owners a year that are making the decision whether they want to tear their deck down and rebuild a new one, or do tear down to frame replacement, or do what they always say, something like you do. What is it that I do? I'm the proprietor of Kong Armor. I restore and I encapsulate decks in the world's toughest deck armor and bring them roaring back to life here in Cincinnati, northern Kentucky, southeast Indiana. I save dilapidated decks for a living. That's basically what I do, for the large and most part. 1,200 plus in the past decade. So 100 plus a year for the past decade plus. Boom, 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 over and over and over again. It's hard to do. It's a lot of decks. It's a lot of them. This one here behind me, it falls in a category that I call too far gone. So this is the second chance deck here in Cincinnati. I told you I meet with about 100 deck owners a year. 1 in 100 deck, 1 in 100 of them, their decks are too far gone. It rarely happens. I mean, it's super, super rare. Decks can almost always be simply repaired, and then their surfaces resurfaced, or what we call here at Kong Armor, encapsulated, and be brought back to life. That's almost always a certainty with decks because they're such simple structures, right? They're very easy to repair. Okay, super, super easy to repair. Their construction is super, super simple. It's just a square box, typically. One board on each side with some boards that run through here and some boards that lay on top. That's it. And it's all interchangeable. So if one part goes bad, all you got to do is just pull it off of there and replace it. So deck replacement or tear down to the frame redecking, it's almost never needed. This deck, that wasn't the case. So when I arrived here, the boards here were so severely weathered and dry rotted and just destroyed by the sun. And there was a coating on here that was peeling up. A little bit of it left. It's called Peeling Restore 10X, Restore 10X. It's a lava rock type coating that they applied to decks about a decade ago to try to save them and resurface them. That was left here. The only way we could get up here was by a pair of steps. We had a ladder that was here that allowed us to come up here, and it was super unsafe. And the only rail systems were here were a rail from there over, and they were leaning and wobbling and they were shot. So, yeah, too far gone, right? And my job in that situation, well, is to be honest, because there's nothing else I can do. And the point that I'm trying to make here is, even in that situation, Kong Armor, the world's toughest deck armor, and its deck rescue painters, its deck restoration painters, even in that situation, we are the very best solution. Why? Because we can come very, very quickly. Because of our experience with repairing and restoring decks, we can come in super, super quickly and lay out a new deck floor. We have the air-dried, pressure-treated lumber ready to where we can lay down a new deck floor. It's ready to coat immediately. So, get that done. We're very experienced in building rail systems. The rails that were here before, they were just a board up here. Spindles went down and hooked to the side. Look at the rail upgrade that we did. 2 kicker board on the bottom, top rail. Look, rail caps, right? Strong. And then if you notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 posts inside of 35 feet. They're stronger than an ox. And it's just years and years of experience restoring decks and understanding how to get them fixed and how to get them fixed up strong that we bring to the table. Now, the stairs here, there were no stairs. But what was here before was just a pair of drop downs. You guys know what I'm talking about, just drop down steps. That, you know, they go to the hardware store, they buy them. They're super cheap. It's just a 2x10 on this side, a 2x10 on this side. They run some little grooves in them and they slide the steps in there and they throw them down there. They shake and wobble. 6 posts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 posts in here, and then guess what? Let me take you down through here real quick. 6 posts. And then actual stringers. So actual step stringers where the step sits on something instead of being notched inside of something, right? So it's an actual real pair of steps, right? All that. With the ready to coat decking lumber, we was able to do all this for this deck owner, okay? And coat immediately. So drive the finish that they want. Bring in the world's toughest deck armor, Kong armor, and go ahead and encapsulate all of this right afterwards. So there's no wait, a no wait finish. Get it all that you want, right? So that's what we did. We built all that out for them, built the stairs and got it done. And then everything's been encapsulated in the lifetime deck armor system in the color almond. And just look at the thick build film of Kong. Just look how gorgeous it is. Now think about this for a second. In the floor here, in the rails, everywhere where we did restoration that we could, we put in the 316 stainless steel. So the 316 stainless steel decking screws, that's what's in there. The maximum rust to rot resistance on the planet for wood decking, encapsulated by the world's toughest deck armor, Kong armor. So the point that I'm making is our job is typically to save decks. It's not to come in and rebuild them. We're not tasked with that, not often. My job always as a contractor has been save this deck, save it. And there's been times where our homeowners they've made it, well, I think we're going to go ahead and replace. And I say, okay, well, you know what? You've got the best guy for that too. I've got tons of features and tons of advantages for you that you're not going to get anywhere else. Right? Well, we're going to go ahead and move to composite. Okay, I get it, right? But here's the thing. Composite decking. Let's think of Kong, locally backed here in the tri-state. Everybody asks me, hey, how does Kong outperform and beat composite decking? Right? Well, number one, they're apples and oranges. One's a coating system that resurfaces decks. Another one's a building material, right? But they compete for the same segment, the same set of customers when we talk about deck replacement or avoiding deck replacement, right? So they want to do the replacement, we want to save and rescue, okay? But why might an owner choose wood, go ahead and do our ready to coat pine decking, our 316 grade rust to rot maximum resistance fasteners, and then the encapsulation in Kong? Well, it looks like composite, number one. Okay, so a synthetic, high build, drop dead gorgeous appearance that mimics the look of composite, just as beautiful in a lot of people's eyes. This deck is really drop dead gorgeous, right? Second to that, locally backed in the tri-state, locally here in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana. In fact, I am 2 miles from Kong Armor is 2 miles from this deck's, where this deck's location is. He's super close to the dealership. He has a service promise on this for life, where he has access for the life of the deck coating. For as long as he owns it, he has access to annual cleanings, spot touch-up, even deck maintenance. If something happens, if he busts a spindle or something, we can swap out a spindle for him. So he's got local care for life that's provided. A lifetime limited warranty as well. Local. It's important to note that both of these programs have actionable resolution, where we can have a Kong Armor deck rescue painter here, a Kong Armor technician, we can have them here within a few minutes to help, right? You're not going to get that with composite replacement. That's never going to happen. And you don't know how valuable that is. So there's 2 reasons why you might consider going, if you do decide to replace, going with us, getting the new lumber and getting it encapsulated in the lifetime deck armor system. But what else? Well, we got all the same features that composite has. We've got the cool fill technology, right? Dropping temperature via additives, right? That block the UV rays, right? UV block technology that deflect them back up into the atmosphere where they belong, right? So you got those 2, right? We've also got tough film technology, okay? Rated to take on wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, hail, all that good stuff up to hurricane wind speeds and beyond. Splinter lock technology. Kids can run their hands over this. Kong is unbelievable at locking down and encapsulating frayed wood, splinters, sharp edges, that type of thing, right? Splinter lock technology. There's also bead and drop water wicking here, okay? Where the water beads and then gravity carries it off of the deck. The best in the industry. True water lock. So we've also got true water lock, where if you look at our fastener entry points, they are completely closed over. Look. Completely closed off to water. You can't get any water down in there. Here. That's just a little piece of wood. That's not the fastener. Look. Completely closed off. So, true water lock. There's no way for water to get into the planks via precipitation from the top side. Right? And the list goes on and on and on and on. All we've done is built tons and tons and tons and tons of features for Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, and Southeast Indiana deck owners. That's all we've done the past decade. And just continue to dial it in and dial it in and dial it in. And it's to a point now where we can completely tear a deck down, take all of its old wood off, take everything off of it, complete tear down the frame, and rebuild it in 3 visits. We could have done it in 2 visits if we really wanted to bring them in to do it, right? But, I mean, that's where we're at. So, 3 visits, he's got a new deck. He don't have to wait on finishing. It's done. It's over. It's encapsulated. He's got the best rust-resistant deck fastener on the planet. And he don't have to worry about that board rot in the future like everybody else that hired these other companies that are using steel fasteners. He went with us and got 316, the very best, right? All encapsulated in the lifetime deck armor. Kong Armor. World's toughest. Tell you what, we're not utilized enough in this area. In this area right here, we're the very best. Just so happens to be that, whoa, that's what we try to prevent. So it's not something that I can market very often, right? Because my job is to prevent it. But if you're in that situation, if you need somebody to rebuild your deck for you, can't get much better than what we offer, really. The guy that's supposed to save you from it is probably the best guy to deliver you a new one, right? Now, I didn't have any scope of work down here, so below the band board, so the lattice and all that, the holes you see in it, it doesn't have anything to do with us. That was my only scope of work there, was just to coat that. It wasn't included in the pricing, okay? So if you guys saw that in the video, just realize that, just understand that. There's some things that my company was paid for, there's other things that I wasn't. And things ain't always black and white, like you see when you watch a video, like, oh, he's got holes in the deck. There's more to the story, right? I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're facing deck replacement, Kong armor, thick build, tough, 30 to 60 times thicker than thin residential deck paints and stains, paired with our restoration, our repair, will save you. We'll save you. Most people are saving tens of thousands of dollars now. That's crazy saying that, but that's the truth. If you need a new one, you need one rebuilt, we'll save you tens of thousands versus composite too, and we'll deliver you better features, more value, and we'll stay with you for life locally. From Northern Kentucky, I'm the proprietor of Kong Armor, the world's toughest deck armor, and it's deck rescue painters, deck restoration painters. Right here, look. See it? KongArmor.com. Go there, get a free quote, learn more, follow us on socials, do whatever you're going to do. See you later.